In this video, I'm going to talk about the Shopify App Store and essentially everything else you need to know about the App Store. So the first thing you're going to do is click on Apps over here, and this page is going to pop up. Click on Visit Shopify App Store, and you'll be taken to the App Store. And what I'll be showing you in the next few videos is the apps that I use personally, and I have used almost all the best apps. And of course, there are probably more apps that you can use, but these apps really help in creating a lot of functionalities that you can't do with eBay, Amazon, or any other e-commerce platform like that. And this is why I love Shopify so much. And a lot of you might be concerned that why I'm not doing this with Ecommerce or something like that, or WordPress, because of essentially these apps. These apps really help you get a lot of money that you would be leaving out on the table if you don't use Shopify and these apps. And they're essentially free, and some are paid, but it's really inexpensive because it's going to be like $5, $10. And just investing a few extra bucks, you could make that money back in no time, because there are going to be apps that we'll be using that will help you create upsells. That's where most of our money is going to be coming from, because you'd be surprised what you could do with upsells if you do it properly. And we'll also be using apps to create coupons. We'll be using apps to get clients who have abandoned carts, and essentially a lot of other things that I'll show you in the next few videos. But some of these apps are a must-have, and you will want them in your store. And just follow along the next videos and set them up accordingly. I'll see you in the next videos.